Let's imagine that a form was submitted, and our job is to make sure that the password that was supplied is at least 8 characters long. That is the only requirement. It can be 10 characters, it can be 20, but it cannot be less than 8. Well, that's an easy one. All we need to do is match anything because we haven't made any restrictions on what types of characters they can use. And now we can say we're looking for 8 characters. Now you might be thinking, well, we are only matching part of that string, but it doesn't matter, remember. All we want to do is test to see if there are 8 characters. And if there is a match, then it's fine. We don't need to do anything else with the password. Let's test this out in our PHP. So we're going to use password. This would probably be provided from a form, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so we can easily match it. And now we're going to run a preg match, and we're going to look for that sequence that we just added. We're matching it against password, and we're going to store whatever is matched within matches. Now another option is, if you're only using it as a Boolean of sorts, we'll just do an if statement. If preg match, then echo no validation errors. And then we'll say else echo problem. And let me make sure I close this out correctly, like so. Okay, we're all set to go, so let's run this. And now we can see no validation errors. But as soon as I make it less than 8 characters and refresh, there is a problem. So in this case, remember, it doesn't matter specifically what you're matching. You don't always have to match the entire string that you're supplied. However, if you do need to match it, what you can do here is do the comma trick. So we'll do a comma after this. And now we're saying match 8 characters or anything above it. And now you can see those jump up to matching the entire string. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you the beginnings of how you would create something like a markdown converter.